President Emmerson Mnangagwa promoted 27 Air Force of Zimbabwe officers on Thursday, strengthening his hold on power by building a military loyal to his agenda. Sanabira mashoko atona kuti aiwa panoona kuti vakomana aiwa vari loyal vona vipi voroveswa pasi vonzi displace vakomana uya aiwa achibuilda kana achipromota vakomana vari loyal kwaari. Sanabira mashoko amudanyogwa panapa kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Chipinda panapa paHinduism I amudanyora achiti among those promoted were 2 Air Commodores, 11 group captains, and 16 wing commanders, though 1 Air Commodore and a group captain are currently on duty abroad. The promotion ceremony took place at the Josiah Magama Tungugara Barracks in Harare, where Air Marshal John Jacob Njede emphasized the importance of performance-based appointments as a cornerstone of Vision 2030. The President is a Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Has underscored performance and based appointments as key enablers in attaining Vision 2030, Njede stated. There is no room for chances in the Air Force of Zimbabwe. The promoted officers must justify their elevation through exceptional performance. Njede further challenged the officers to tackle national challenges with innovation and leadership, signaling the Air Force's critical role in Mnangagwa's broader plans. Mnangagwa's moves to restructure the military reflect a broader strategy to consolidate power while neutralizing potential threats, particularly those aligned with his deputy VP Chiwenga. Chiwenga, who spearheaded the 2017 military coup that ousted Robert Mugabe and installed Mnangagwa, reportedly had an agreement to succeed Mnangagwa after 2 terms. However, Mnangagwa's actions suggest plans to retain power indefinitely. Though mashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa anachira kuti aiwa promotions ari kuitika aya anyasoratidza kuti zvatoshata, vakomana they are now paving way for their agenda. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.